Good afternoon, guys. So I'm actually starting the day later on. No, I'm actually starting my vlog later on in the day. It is 2:09. We've been up since 7. We did some Goodwill shopping to see if we found well, my husband see if he found anything that he can sell. He found a couple of things here and there, nothing too crazy, and some stuff for the grill and for cooking out. It started getting packed, so I was done. I actually started getting anxious at the second store, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna stay in the car now. And then we went to Costco, which thank God we went at the time we did, because it started getting packed as soon as like we were like going in line. So I thought I'll show you guys some of the stuff that we get. Some of the stuff are stuff we buy all the time, and then a couple things Babe decided to add. So I'm not trying to say this is what you should get. I mean, we're trying to eat a little bit healthier, but we really don't. This wasn't like our meat buy. He buys meat. He works at like, you know, Joel's and stuff like that. So when he goes to like the stores, he actually buys meat, chicken, steak, and all that stuff if we were going to eat it. Other than that, this is the basic stuff that we normally get. So it is actually on the floor. These are basically, we get some grapes. My husband loves grapes in his overnight oats, and he also eats some whenever he gets a little bit hungry throughout the day. We obviously get strawberries. I like strawberries in my oats as well. We got avocado. We both love avocado. Me a little bit more than him, but I like it for, you know, avocado toast, make some guacamole. Just a must-have. I love apples in my overnight oats as well, and apples are good for you, so I do love buying those as well. You guys literally will finish this in like a week, which is probably bad. We do always get my milk. Literally 2% reduced fat milk, lactose free for my tummy. It's 3 of them, so they do last a while, and the expiration date is like more than a month away, so that's like an always buy. This is our favorite cereal. We do love some other ones from oatmeal, but this one has currently we've been obsessed with. We've always gotten the fruit and yogurt, like always. Recently been loving even more the vanilla and almond. Obsessed, guys. The chocolate delight is not my favorite, but it is healthier for you than other cereals, and I mean, they do have a lot less whatchamacallit, like sugar in it. In general, just better for you. Mainly the vanilla and oats is going to be the best one, obviously, for you if you are a little bit on a diet, and it does help you go to the bathroom. TMI, but whatever. My husband decided he wanted to get this. I'm actually pretty annoyed that he got these in the first place, but he usually does pick out one guilty pleasure, and he picked this one. I'm gonna have to find a place to hide them so that he does not find them, and the next thing I know, he has none. So this one is my guilty pleasure. Guys, these cookies are bomb. Like, I'm obsessed. It's really bad. We got some mushrooms. I actually love that they don't have like the little holes in it. Like if you go to Aldi or Jewel, they have the holes in it. I don't know why that drives me insane. Nah. Oh my god. If you're like me, I feel like that's disgusting because people can touch it, people can sneeze, and it could go on there. Like I could just wipe the top of it, but like when they have the little holes in it, it drives me insane. It makes me feel some type of way. Kind of like the fruit, but of course I wash all the fruit. But I can't, it's just kind of gross to wash the mushrooms because then they get kind of soggy, and yeah. Just thought I'd say that. Anyway, so we did get some buns. He usually gets a different one. I guess this one looked good to him today. Yeah. We did get these guys. We've had them before. And he really likes them. We get this in the mail from Target. We didn't get that at Costco, but these are bomb for lazy breakfast. We also got this. We got a 2-pack. We're gonna give one to my in-laws. It actually has like nothing in it, to be honest. It's a Cheesecake Factory bread that they give you like as soon as you sit down, which is absolutely amazing. I'm about to toast that up with a teeny tiny bit of butter because I'm a little hungry, and we're going to get tacos later. We always get the sweet kale pack, you guys. It comes with the, is it poppy seed little guy in there for lunch and stuff. So it's good like when I send them with salads, so they can have something to go ahead and, you know, put with it. So it has, you know, broccoli, has green cabbage, has Brussels sprouts, kale, celery. Yeah, it's a poppy seed dressing, pumpkin seeds. I love this one from Costco. And then we did get this time some low fat yogurts. I honestly just wanted this so that when, you know, when I don't make the oats, if I just send him with some yogurt, you know, some strawberries and grapes or whatever with some granola, he'll have like a nice little breakfast that isn't oats. And then I also got some spinach to, you know, put in my soup, salad, wraps, literally anything. I love me some spinach, stuffed chicken, amazing. All right, so now I'm gonna wash the fruits, which is my most annoying thing ever. I hate doing that, to be honest with you, but you gotta do it anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm back. All right, so I always separate the fruits, obviously, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wash it by hand. Oh, obviously. And then I do have these guys where I usually put like the grapes and stuff. And these, like fridge organizers, I also got from Costco. Not this run, but a couple of runs ago, and they still have it. So just throwing that out there because I feel like they're just make life easier, to be honest. All right, so I just finally finished cleaning everything. It is now 3:30. I'm actually gonna go ahead and take a shower. I'm actually gonna charge my camera because it's kind of low-key a little bit dying. And then yeah, I think we're gonna get tacos today. It is cheat day. He takes advantage of cheat day beyond taking advantage of cheat day. But yeah, I am expecting some orders to come today, which I think they're gonna be late because literally everything now when you order online is gonna be late. All right, welcome back. So I just decided to redo my face. I have on the ColourPop Pretty Color Foundation, the hydrating one. I absolutely love this stuff. I am in the shade medium ADW. You would know this if you saw my last vlog, or you know I almost drowned in the pool and my makeup still looked beat. Beat. On point. I am trying out again today the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Concealer. I actually put it on top of a color corrector to see if I liked it more. I don't. I feel like this is a very lightweight like coverage concealer, and concealer is the reason why I started wearing makeup because I hate my under eyes. So I personally need a high, medium to full coverage concealer, but the formula is really good. I really wish that they would come out with color correctors in this formula because I would absolutely love it. But honestly, I still see my under eye circles, and that's that I even have color corrector on. And then I am trying out the Essence Get Big Lash Volume Boost Mascara, clump free. Honestly, the first time I tried it, I didn't like it. The second time, it was okay. The third time, I was like, yes. Fourth time, I'm like, yes. And then today's the fifth time, and I really do. I like this mascara. It's really good. I do want to get their top seller though because everybody says that that one's amazing, and it's only $3.99. So that beats my $24 But It Sex mascara. And on my face, I decided to try out this e.l.f. $3 blush and highlight. I have it in white peach. The blush is so pretty and so pigmented. The highlight, I feel like so many people are saying that it's chunky. I don't feel like it's chunky at all. I actually felt like I had to apply quite a bit to get it to this intensity. So I feel like it's really easy to control and work with. You just gotta use the right brush. And I didn't even wet my brush or anything. So I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I still have a couple of other shades to try out, but I do like it so far. But yeah, so I'm just gonna curl my hair just because I'm in my PJs, so I have absolutely nowhere to go. My in-laws are coming over, so I'm not doing anything important or special. I'm just filming today. That's it. Decided not to do my hair. Yeah, I'm not going anywhere. See, like, I don't know, like, I like the highlight. I feel like it's good for, like, basic days. Like today. Makeup for no reason. I just cleaned my room the other day, and the fact that I have that right there, right now, it's honestly kind of driving me crazy, but I do want to curl it tomorrow since that thing isn't new. My phone, of course, is dying. So I actually got my hands on the Desi sunglasses. I ended up getting Charge It. I'm so excited. They are so expensive. If you know me in real life, you know, yo girl, do not buy anything like that ever. Honestly, the most expensive pair of shoes have been like $35. Purse, probably the purse that I never have worn that my husband got me. I literally don't think you should spend a lot of money on shoes, clothes, jewelry. I personally don't think it's worth it. I prefer to go on vacation or something else. I don't even spend that much on makeup, so like one item. Let me fix that. One item. I would never pay that. No. So unless it's Clarisonic for your face, but that's different. That was $90 for one pair of sunglasses. It hurt my soul a little bit, but I needed to Charge It. Like I needed to. No, I didn't. Not at all. But I better use those because all my other ones are like $1 to $5, and they're all scratched up because I just throw them in the bag when I'm on vacation or at the beach. You know, not this year because you know COVID and everything, but that you know the word should not be named that I just named. Anyways, what's my point? No idea. Hey guys, welcome back. So it's tomorrow. So I did do my hair with that thing. Honestly, I could have just wet my hair and not put anything on it and not like, you know, fix it, put in like 2 braids, and that's what it would have looked like. I want to return it, but oh well, didn't do anything special. I did get though, I don't remember if I told you guys, but I did get like a bubble tea. So I got the pearls that you put in them. I only got 2. It was 2 for like, I think one was $5.99, so I got 2. And then I got 2 flavors. I got the taro root, which is actually the one I know my husband's going to like. And then I also got the mango powder, which is usually what I get. So yeah, might do those in a vlog later on this week. And then I got some straws. Did I need them? No, but I feel like I needed some straws. Yeah. I did get my bathing suits today as well from Matte Collection. They were $16.99. My sister-in-law got 2 and I got 2, and we both got one that matches. And I saw how one of them looked, and I needed to get the other colors, and they were sold out. So gotta wait till those go back in stock. I'm gonna make some frozen pizza because I don't feel like cooking. Yeah. I like me some crispy as hell pizza, guys. Like literally love it when it's like burned. Alright guys, I'm actually going to call it a night because I am tired. I just finished cleaning and also making my husband's lunch, so I am ready to just call it a night. I'm gonna take a shower and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and don't forget to watch my last video as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.